I almost lost them again. Use the pizza sauce, and yes, it was from a can, and I'm proud of it. I just didn't have the energy tonight to go and make my own. I took the easy way out, and I'm not ashamed of it. Neither should you be. That's amore. Here we go. Oh, did I hit record? Yeah, I did. Oh, hot, hot. Oh, off the charts. I don't care if it's hot and I'm gonna burn myself. The sauce got me. I'm going in for more. That's hot. Gotta make these. They're so good. Holy. I burned myself and I don't care. Amazing. Pizza muffins, Uncle Drew's Kitchen, Chef Boom. Boom. And hey, who knew? Tortillas, store-bought pizza sauce, pepperoni, bacon, cheese would be a good combination. If only they invented this earlier. Look how golden brown it is, see? True pizza. The roof of my mouth, I've burned it now. I can feel the skin coming off. There's no flop. Okay, this is it. No more.